not have the foggiest idea. The idiom, not have the foggiest idea, is a colloquial expression that means to have absolutely no understanding or knowledge about something. It is used to convey a complete lack of comprehension or clue about a particular subject or situation. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Do you know how to fix a car engine? B. I don't have the foggiest idea. I'm not good with cars. In this example, person B is admitting that they have no understanding or knowledge about fixing car engines. They are emphasizing their lack of expertise in this area. 2. Can you explain the theory of relativity to me? B. I'm sorry, but I don't have the foggiest idea about it. It's a complex scientific concept. In this conversation, person B is acknowledging their lack of understanding about the theory of relativity. They are admitting that it is a complicated topic that they are unfamiliar with. 3. What do you think caused the economic recession? B. To be honest, I don't have the foggiest idea. There are many factors at play. In this instance, person B is expressing their lack of knowledge about the cause of the economic recession. They are acknowledging that it is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. Overall, the idiom, not have the foggiest idea, is a colorful and informal way to convey a complete lack of understanding or knowledge about a particular subject or situation. It is often used when someone wants to emphasize their lack of expertise or cluelessness about something.